Yeah.
New toys! This isn't really shop stuff though. Alright. Welcome to the old Grimsmo Knives headquarters. I'm John. Eric is behind the camera right now. I'm getting a phone call. So, as I said, we are in the old shop right now. We're currently packing it all up to move to the new location. It's interesting going through all of our stuff and going, man, we never used this, we never touched that. Okay, we're not gonna bring that at all. Yeah, I just drained off all the coolant from the Tormach into a jug. I'm just gonna unplug everything, unbolt all the air lines, go through our shelving unit here, and realize that probably only 10% of that stuff's actually coming with us to the new shop. And yeah, it's neat kind of walking around and just understanding what it is we actually use and what we don't. So obviously the big machines are coming with us, the lathe, the mill, the heat treat oven. There's so much little stuff just around that it's so cluttered and so much just clutter. I have no better word for it. It's too much. So all that junk is not coming with us to the new shop. We're just gonna keep it lean and clean. Yeah, so tomorrow we rented a moving truck for tomorrow. We'll get it about 8 a.m. We got quoted about $3,500 to move our Tormach machines by a professional company. And I'm like, you know. Renting a truck costs $150 for a huge Penske truck with a huge lift gate on the back. So we bought a pallet jack, and we should be able to just do them ourselves. Hopefully we'll see no problems, but there should be footage of that tomorrow. So yeah, it's exciting, it's busy, it's extremely hot outside and humid. So right now we've got the surface grinder. Today's Monday, we're prepping for the move tomorrow, because the moving truck, we're renting it at 8 a.m. And we just want to be ready and practiced. You know, we've never really used a pallet jack much before, or at least I haven't. So we're just practicing how to get into all the machines, and the surface grinder is very narrow, so we have to come in kind of at an angle and take some of the feet off, and it's good to practice all this stuff today while we have a bit more time rather than tomorrow when we feel crunched for time. We might even just take the whole surface grinder onto one fork, and I don't know, we might not, we'll see. But going in crooked by taking one foot off kind of works too. And then I'm getting the mill ready to move, taking all the tools out, just got one left. And then the moving position for any mill really is to lower the Z-axis and put it on a block of wood and kind of squish it down onto that block so that the wood is holding the head of the weight of the head. And I think that's good. So we're going to try to move this whole thing with the enclosure still on. That'll make our lives just a heck of a lot easier because it's already sealed now. I don't want to break the seal. It took a long time to do the silicone on the outside to make it not leak. I've already drained all the coolant, and here we go. Currently, I gotta take apart the top section of the Tormach, take that top little enclosure off, which luckily that's not sealed or anything, so that doesn't matter. That'll let us get it out the garage door and into the truck. We might have to take the lights off too. Pallet jack fits perfectly underneath the mill. We're getting it all cleared out, unplugged, and shibby. So we're just playing with moving it around. Kind of cool to do. But it's quite stable on the pallet jack, which is kind of a relief since we're going up on the lift gate tomorrow. Yeah. Should be good. This thing hasn't moved in 3.5 years. So one thing we realized is that the new shop is so clean. We don't want to bring all the dirt from here on all the tools and everything into the new shop. So we're not cleaning everything spotless, but we are like dusting everything off and blowing it off with the air hose. This is kind of nice peace of mind to know that we're not bringing all the dust over. All right, it's 8 a.m. moving day. I'm just waiting for Eric to come so we can go get the truck. Well, here we are, moving day. We got the truck here, all the equipment's
kind of ready.
Yeah, we're just gonna start moving. family stuff too.
Yeah.
Just eat the cost.
We're rolling.
The mill looks so small when it's outside, and the garage looks so big. Really easy to move on the pallet jack. Definitely a worthy investment. What do you think, Leif? We got the snap-ons. Alright, things are going awesome. We got the mill, the surface grinder, the lathe, the tumbler all in the truck. We're just getting the last of the bigger things. This table, Eric's table over here with the all his grinder and stuff on it. And we sweaty.
Yeah.
But it's good. This is all going very, very well. Getting it off the truck is going to be a little bit scarier, but at least we have some confidence now.
Going up. I don't even need to be here. Thought it would work that way. Yep. All yours. We are gonna have a pretty awesome workshop in this truck.
I know! Just add power to it?
Yeah.
Mobile workshop.
It totally fits. We could run our whole operation as it is right now in this truck.
Yeah. Why did we get such a big shop? This would have been cheaper. Get a $100,000 truck or whatever it costs.
Yeah.
Grimsmo Knives Mobile Command Center, almost all packed up. A couple things I wanted to point out was buying the pallet jack was an incredible investment, about $300, $400. You need that if you're going to do this kind of stuff. And it'll be awesome to have it at the new shop because then we can move things around down the road. We'll just tuck it under one of the machines. It'll be great. I bought 8 ratchet straps, which is probably just enough. Don't skimp out on those. You need those. This truck is awesome because the lift gate, of course, but a lot of lift gates have an angle like this at the bottom. And this one has a very knife edge angle. So rolling things onto it was just awesome. It's gone better than expected. And we've been at it for about 2.5 hours now, and we're pretty much all packed up. Unpacking will be about the same amount of time, and probably just put that all on time lapse and be good.
Hi.
Try this. Hold on, just take a little mix. Is it hot? Not really. Got good sauce on it. It's tricky. The yum. This is a burger.
Is there a pickle?
Nope. Looks good. Oh boy. Thank you very much,
It's monstrous.
What's the temperature, John?
Hot.
It is 32. It feels like 39.
So that feels like over 100 anyway.
Yeah. And it's humid.
Yeah, it's humid and sweaty and whatever. Not complaining. I think I might have been suffering from a bit of heat stroke before lunch there.
Yeah.
Bad headache, felt sick, didn't want to eat, whatever. I'm feeling better now.
Drink more water.
Yeah.
And don't move at this temperature. So we're gonna move all of this
Yeah.
into here. What a difference this is. Wow.
It's a whole new place.
Yeah,
We're very happy with it.
good job.
All right, so we're here. It's extremely hot and sweaty and muggy and humid outside, but I'm not complaining. Yeah, the truck got here safe and sound. Nothing fell over. We had a camera inside the bed, but there was no SD card in it, so it didn't film anything. And yeah, we're ready to move it in. Well, boys and girls, we are officially mostly moved in. All the big junk from the old garage is here. Both Tormachs, all three Tormachs are in place. Surface grinder, mill, lathe. They look very tiny in this shop, which is fantastic. Yes, we're doing this. We're here. This is so awesome. I'm so glad everything worked. Everything works so well. The truck, the pallet jack, no problems, nothing broke, nothing fell, nobody got hurt except for a few scratches. And the shop looks amazing. All the painting work and hard work we put into this thing is completely paid off. So, we're done for the day. Oh, there's my dad. Yeah, represent. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm elated, I'm exhausted. Life is good. We're happy to be here. It's a big deal. It's kind of a big deal. Whew. So, truck's empty, we can return it before they close and go home and sleep. All right, that'll wrap up this video. Big stuff's here, we're moved in. Me no think so good. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for some more exciting videos from this new shop. Thanks, bye.